Right peeps, so I'm here at Balka Harley Davidson and we're going to ride some Harleys today. I'm here with Anton Aslant. You've seen him in, I mentioned in one of my videos before. I'm going to put the link to his channel in the description, so if you want to check it out, give it a click. I'm going to be riding this thing today, and it looks even more badass in the flesh than it does in the photos. Look at that. That is awesome. I haven't even rode this yet, and I'm already thinking people's perceptions of Harleys are outdated. So I was at a bike meet not long ago, and look at this beautiful bike. I can't even talk, I'm overwhelmed by it. I was at a bike meet not long ago. I spoke to a couple of people about what their general opinions of Harleys are, and they said that they think they're overpriced and underpowered, and they wouldn't get one because you pay the going rate for a bike and you get no tech. But this bike's got ABS, it's fuel injected, it's keyless, it's got an LED headlight, self-cancelling indicators, and it looks badass. Just can't wait to see what it's like out on the road. Just waiting for Anton Aslant, Anton a Harley. Let's do it. I am excited. Oh yeah. It's a very different riding position than what I'm used to. So this is the Fat Bob 114. And 114 stands for 114 cubic inches, right? So that's works out to about 1,800 cc. Oh, I can't see this being too underpowered. I feel like the Terminator on this bike. I've not even got the showroom just there. I only drove it a foot. This is awesome. I feel like a badass already. Right. Oh yeah, self-cancelling. Whoa, that's chalky. That is chalky. That's lovely. Oh, and the seat's just hugging my little butt, hugging it, caressing it. So comfy.
You ever rode anything with your feet that far forward?
Never.
How are you finding it?
It's weird. Yeah. I've got to play it cool. I've got to play it cool. Terminator wouldn't laugh like a little girl, would he?
Nice, man.
I'm giggling like a little girl. I mean, look at that. Digital clocks, ABS, LED headlights, keyless start, self-cancelling indicators, fuel injection. I mean, people's perceptions of Harleys nowadays that they just haven't got the tech are wrong. This is awesome, and it's the most badass bike I've ever seen.